back to the YouTube channel, guys. This is Express Performance. My name is Sam. Today I'm going to be tinting this McLaren 570S. Literally just doing the little back window. Well, the little back window, the little quarter windows and the back window. Just having a limo tint on it. Just going to make it look a little bit more stealthy. It's raised up at the front at the moment, if you're wondering that arch gap. I've got a little lipper which enters the garage. If you want to see more cars like this, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Anyway, let's get into this video. It's going to be quite interesting getting into. It's going to be pretty tight back in there. Again, I'm 6'3" and there's not going to be a lot of room to move. This back window we're not going to have to heat shrink, even though it's curved. And as you can see, it curves around. Because it's not curved both ways, it's basically flat. We don't have to actually apply any heat to it, we've just got to template it and then we can install it. So what I did here, guys, I had the template, well, the piece of film on the window had the light on the inside, and I used the China graph to create the outline roughly. I'll just trim it to that shape now, and that will give me a perfect pattern which will fit on the inside. It's a bit easier than trying to cut on the actual glass from the outside, leaning over. So there's the pattern for the back window. I'm going to get that one installed now. I just noticed that the seat has moved itself back. I don't know why. I think I opened that door over there a second ago and the seat's moved itself back into the original position. Mental. So that's the back window done. I definitely think it looks better. Personally, I think it looks more in keeping with the car. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tint or no tint. So it's just these side windows to do now. It's going to be pretty fun as well. They're fairly tight, but there's quite a good amount of access to them. There's no crazy overhanging trims. These side windows I'm actually going to put a small amount of heat on. As you can see, it does sort of curve both ways, so it's bulbous. And I'm going to have a bit of issue, I think, when I go to install it. These fingers are just going to keep popping up. So I'm going to put a bit of heat on there, then I'm going to template it. Alright, now I've put a bit of heat on it now. You can see it's sitting flat on all the glass. I'm going to use my China graph again to create the outline of the window, visual area. About a mil over the dots, a mil or two over. And I'll cut it up on the template, well, cut it up on the transfer glass. So I cut around that China graph line, that's giving me the outline of the window. And now get that one installed. This definitely looks way more stealthy now with the tint on it. I've still got the other little quarter window to do, but that completely changes the look of it. That's way better. I've just heat shrunk this one. Give it a nice shape. Let's move the light out of the way a minute. You can see what it looks like from the inside out. Doesn't visually change it that much from the inside, but outside looking in is way cooler. I think I should leave it like that. Only joking, guys. That's that one installed. Looks like a mirror. Well, it's looking in my mirror. No, but it does look highly reflective now. So there we go, guys. That is the McLaren 570S tinted. Tinted in 5%, like I said. Completely changes the look of the vehicle. Way more stealthy now. Shut up, seagulls. What I'm thinking about doing is making a little cool wall. So obviously we've had the Lamborghini on the channel, we're going to have this McLaren now, and then whatever other cool cars, I might just print off a little photo of them, put them on the cool wall and get you guys to comment and decide where they got to go. Obviously if it's not cool then we just won't bother putting it on there, but if it's cool then it will go on the wall. Anyway, I'm from a smallish town, we don't have a massive calibre of car. Well, calibre of car like these, many of these supercars around. Well, they are out there. There's not a massive amount, not like what you get in London and whatnot. So it's like a privilege to work on something like this, and you know, it's a boy's dream really. Anyway, if you like this video, guys, comment below on what you think about the tints, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.